Hi guys, I know this is inconvenient since we were supposed to start our paper today, but we can get started without me, and hopefully I will be back tomorrow. So here's what I want you to do. If you go into Unit 1 Beowulf and you go to the last folder which says Beowulf an example, and that's how I want you to think about this paper. We've been talking about the relationship between culture and literature, and now we're going to use Beowulf and Anglo-Saxon culture as an example of that concept. So here you will see all the things for the final essay, and this is what I want you to focus on. You can look through these slides right here, and there's the prompt. You can read the prompt for the essay there. And then really, we're going to look at step 1 and step 2. So meet with the people around you, and at the beginning of class, start to think about what would go into this paper. Think about the planning and think about the components that would have to go into it. And we'll work on that again on Tuesday. But what I really want you to focus on while I'm not there, because you can do this without me, is trying to find reliable sources. So use the web and try and find reliable sources. Now, that means finding 8 or 10 sources or 8 or 10 links and then using the one that is the best or the 2 that are the best. And here's the discussion board right here. It says locating and vetting secondary sources. So what I want you to do, and we'll talk about the difference between primary and secondary sources when I get back on Tuesday, but what we're looking for are websites about Anglo-Saxon culture, about what Anglo-Saxon culture is, so that we can use them for the essay. So what I want you to do is find at least 1 link, if not 2, put it in the discussion board, and then go on and find someone else's link and basically respond or reply to that link with whether or not you think it's a reliable source or not. What about it makes it reliable? What about it makes it not reliable? Make an evaluation. So you have to post at least 1 link, and then you have to respond to at least 1 peer by saying whether or not you think that source is reliable. I know this is not convenient. I apologize. I'm really not well. Try and use the time the best that you can. If you did not turn any of the assignments in from last week, please get those turned in. I was too sick over the weekend to grade anything, so I will get caught up as soon as I can. Thank you for your patience. If you need anything, just check Ms. McCollister next door, and hopefully I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you very, very much.